Okay guys, before I start, can I quickly ask you to subscribe? So there's a little button just down here somewhere, just in there, there's a little red box, and you just click the button, and then when you click it, it's like a really good thing, because when you click it, I get more money. So just click it, please. I mean, it doesn't cost you anything. It takes you like a second to just go click. Where's it? Click, and that's it, and it's done. And miraculously, YouTube will start to, its magical algorithm will start to put me higher in results, and everything will be great. So please, click. And if you don't want to click, because you don't want to see much more of me, that's okay too. Just hit like. There's another little button. Also costs nothing. Takes you 5 seconds. 5 seconds. No, ready? So ready? Like that. Tick. No, 2 seconds. 2 seconds of your time, please, to hit that like button or hit the subscribe button, and I will be a happy boy. Hey guys, it's Andrew here, and I'm back with another update of the vlog for my GPX250 project here. And look, I was really gung-ho, if you remember last update, because I only needed, basically, what did I need? I needed this part down here. See how it's just snapped off? It's one of those common, I don't think I see it. There you go. The rear brake lever snapped off. So I was like, okay, that's all I need. And then pretty much I'm ready to get the bike on the road. Well, have a guess how much that one silly little piece costs, and how hard, for whatever reason, it is to find one at a good price. And I did eventually find one for $75, and I was like, okay, well that'll do, 75 bucks. So yeah, it was a festive season, and he shoofed off for a few weeks, so he said, I'm gonna have to wait until the new year. So while that was happening, I found something new. Ta-da! Check this out. Another GPX 250. So that makes 3 that I have now. And I just couldn't resist to get this one, because it was very cheap. And look, I didn't pay a lot more than $75 for this one. Apparently the engine is stuffed. I haven't confirmed yet, but have a look at the body on this one. It's been resprayed. So the guy that I bought it from was a panel beater, spray painter, and it is schmeck. Like, that is a lovely, lovely, neat fairing kit right there that I can flog off to someone. But it's presented me with a dilemma. Okay, and that dilemma is that I don't know. Now, do I keep going on that thing with the original idea behind the project, which is a naked, cheap commuter? Or do I now take the engine out of that and put it into the new bike, which looks good, and then, I don't know, maybe even make a profit? So yeah, it's thrown a bit of a spanner in the works, because I kind of not sure what I want to do now. So, bit of a dilemma. No, so a bit of a, it's a good problem to have, but it's still a problem, and I'm not sure which way I'm going to go. I have all of a sudden gotten busy again, so I haven't really spent a lot of time on it. I'm not going to spend a bit of time on it again. And you know what? I think I brought this up a few of the vlogs ago, but I have actually gone through this whole. I'm pretty disheartened by the whole process, especially looking for this brake lever. It's been super annoying. Just way more frustrating. I thought I was sure that I could go on eBay or AliExpress and just buy one for like, $50, but no. You're gonna look for them. Does it fit? Is it a Ninja 250R? Is it a GPX 250? Does the Ninja 300 piece work for it? Does the newer 08 onwards 250R Ninjas, is it the same assembly? Apparently it might be, but again, it's just more and more, learning more and more about the bikes, but it's just really frustrating. And then finding the parts is also really frustrating. Yeah, I mean, thousands upon thousands of these bikes have been sold here in Australia, so I should have no problems, but I do. There's no wreckers around here. There's no motorcycle wreckers. So that's kind of like giving me an idea to maybe start one up. But yeah, it's just another one of those things of where, it's more time, it's more research, and it's just becoming a little bit laborious to be honest. And I'm not actually working on the bike, I'm just doing research. So I'm not at the fun end. I'm at the other end a little bit. So anyway, so that's it. So look, guys, just another quick update. Very excited about the new bike. Got it for an absolute steal. Yeah, let me know. Let me know. What should I do? Should I just swap the engine out and sell it on? Should I keep going? I don't know. All right, so that's it, everyone. Another vlog, another quick little update. Very excited about the bike. Yeah. If you've got any questions, if you've got any comments, please let me know. You can write it below, and I will definitely answer. So yeah, it's just one of those things where it's taking a very long time. But I will hopefully at the end of it be able to look back through these videos and go, hey, look at all this work you've done and look at the awesomeness that you've created in the end. And, you know, learning and experiences along the way, which is, of course, the main reason why I'm doing this. So, yeah, here we go. Okay, I think I'm about done. Yeah, I'm done.